going to shopping today, so stay with us. Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel! Nagdagan man dahil oras nag-arin sa saba. Today we are going to... Saan tayo punta na? Where are we going? Shopping tayo guys ha. Punta tayo dun sa pinakamalaking shopping na pupunta namin. Lagi as usual. Talaga din si Hay. Ano na lang guys. Drive lang. Okay guys, tatay dun mag-shopping tayo kasi ano, dun kasi mas mura pero malayo lang. Sana makahanap tayo ng mangga. Kamuti guys. Listen, say hi, come here. Close your face. Yeah. Kamuti is the one we eat last time, remember? Now we are using kamay kama. Sa malayo ang anak ko guys, kaya madilim doon. And then mamaya guys, attack! Maging magnanakaw. Huh? No, I will not. I'm chilling. Just it's not a good news. We are talking about Lady was taking her vaccine.
And of course she was very excited the other day when she and Andrew, I think it was Monday, both had their vaccines. Now she rings to tell me they had a terrible 24 hours. They were ill and they felt like flu and they were in bed and they were tired and aching and so on. So they're all right now. So they had 24 hours and not feeling very well.
Maybe from the clothing man, how about? Or, I don't know. Because guys, dito kasi nagbabaksin na, so maybe soon I will have it too. Joking guys. Yeah, mag-ano na ng vaccine dito. So si Habi, he done her vaccine injection. So ako hindi pa kasi dito may mga limits yung mga ano, yung mga age na magbabaksin ng ano, injection vaccine. So wala pa ako, hindi pa. So yeah, so we'll see guys kung anong result sa akin. Sana hindi ako lalagnan.
Yeah.
2 shots, man? Really? Then when is your other shot?
About 3 months from February.
There you go guys. Tatlong, oh gosh, dabadel. So tatlong ano guys, tatlong bang bang sa dito mo. Para maging ano ka, maging satisfied talaga sa okay, nung nag-video ako guys na I passed the exam here in UK about their ILR, like life in UK examination para mag-settlement ka na dito as a British, etc. So kasi whatever it is. So napasa natin yun guys. So nakapasa ako. Tapos ano, ito yung mga ano dito guys, yung mga Pilipina dito na kagaya ko, mga ganun na nag-aasawa ng mga Briton. Pag gusto nila mag-settlement, kailangan talaga na mag-exam ng ano, yung life in UK. I hope na next year mag-change yung mga roles nila kasi ang hirap mag-aral kaya guys, para kang bumalik ng ano, para kang bumalik ng college, no? Para kang ano, sakit lang yung ulo mo. Aral ka ng 1080 questions. Para kayo makapasok sa ano mo, pasok sa utak mo yun. Pero okay naman siya guys, kasi blessing din naman kasi pinasa tayo. So, nakapasa yung utak natin saglit. Ito, i-ano ko ha, ikot yung camera para makita nyo yung traffic guys. Winto muna tayo. See. So, ito yung town papuntang ano. Ano, this is the name of Tadbury. So, sana later guys, ilipat kami sa ano, sa kabilang ano, lugar, sa kabilang bahay naman. So, hindi pa naman sa ngayon. Tapos, ano, yung request nyo na i-vlogs ko yung buong bahay. Sige, gawin natin yan. Pero bigyan nyo lang ako ng time, ha? Kasi ang dami kong nakalista kaya nagagawin namin. Hindi ko na alam kung anong unahin. Ang hirap guys. Tapos, papakita ko pa sa inyo yung ano, kasi nilinis ko yung garden kahapon. Tila ako nakapag-video kasi binilisan ko na kasi maghapon na kasi. Kaya ano, pakita ko sa inyo yun mamaya. Shortcut lang siya na ano. nilinis ko, tapos tinanggal ko yung ano kasi patay na lahat yung mga flowers. Pag winter talaga dito guys, ano, ewan ko ba yung ibang flowers still, you know, buhay pa naman. Pero yung iba talaga patay na siya. Yung ano lang, Han, the roses is still longer than others, you know.
They do.
So, I think I had to plant mga roses na lang siguro. Kasi ang roses, ang tagal talaga nasira guys. Hindi siya namamatay. Ang ganda ng ano, sasabihin ko yung review. Yeah, didikit-dikit na no, anak ko dadi. Magama di ko pagkuhan. Isa ka masitira, ano, red, pink, and then yellow. Yan na. What? Lalagay lang ako ng mats guys after. Hello guys, andito na tayo sa shopping. Ayan yung parking lot. So hindi nyo siguro naikotin siya. Hello miss. Give it to me the bag because it's not good for your outfit. Hello, hi. Say hi. So punta na tayo sa loob guys. Okay. Kuha lang tayo ng anong kami. Ito yung parking lot. So ito yung sa kabila naman. So we're going inside now. Tingnan muna natin yung mga cheese guys. Grabe, ang sasarap. I couldn't find some mozzarella which is Shilton, yeah. I want something. One off. Hey guys, dito tayo sa ano. Okay, the bread like that, small one.
What bread did you
That cake yesterday bread. Guys, nakamas kami kaya medyo ano yung boses namin, okay? So, bili lang kami ng bread.
ano?
No, this is the yellow one, I think. The yellow one.
Right?
Yeah.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
The big one or the small one?
No, the small one, darling.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Nuggets mo.
Yes.
Hiya. Okay guys, punta tayo dito sa ano. Nagmask na guys, kaya hindi nyo na ako masyado makikita ha. Na, you want the yellow? Yeah, that one. No, the yellow one, the other one. Yes. I know we have in the plastic. No, we don't need that. Only we need is that, but I got the stir fry which is mixed in the house.
Wait,
so
what
we
do
can
you
just,
need?
No, we don't need that one. I have broccoli. So we need one cauliflower, guys. Ang liliit naman ng mga cauliflower. Grabe, ang liit ng cauliflowers na.
Huh?
Parang mamalnori. Parang hindi kumain ng cauliflower. Mahal nito, magalit na si daddy. I want some cabbage. Mata ng cabbage, guys.
Tinola or sinigang?
Okay. Okay, guys. Gusto ng anak ko magsinigang daw siya. Ipunta tayo sa kabila, guys. Ano ba dito? Is it the one the kamote that we buy last time? Yeah? Yeah, because this is not the one. Sweet
But I like
potatoes.
sweet potatoes.
There you go.
Yeah, that one then. Oh, this is the one that you were buying.
Yeah. Because the sweet potatoes is very soft. I don't like it. How you prepared it? Where are you? Which you He's running over.
Look very safe.
Yeah, is you right, darling? So to eat na.
I like it.
Wow. Saan to?
Maybe we get one. Nice.
Wala ka go.
Can we get one?
I take some bags. Come, go.
There's one here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Go.
there's
Plastic
no-
bag, small one. Yes, we got 3. Tatlo guys, enough na yung tatlo kasi ano yun.
Okay.
Okay. Come here na. Now this is ready-made. Yeah. We need carrots, guys. All are broken. This one, enough?
I thought that was Sophie.
Huh?
I thought that was Sophie.
Oh, Sophie. Where is it?
Look at her, guys. Look at her. Look at her girl.
Oh! Kami, ini tissue. Ang tiyan, oh. Magtrapo niya kanina. Kuhan kasi. Wala naman. Walang hilaw. Guys, nakita na naman natin yung papaya, guys.
It's right here.
Mas maganda talaga yung ano, no, sa Waitrose. Kasi malalaki yung mga mangga nila doon.
Oh my God. You need to be there.
Wala eh.
Wala eh.
Yan, tama na yung 5, guys. Yung mahal.
Oh my God.
Kami ilalim. Ano to? Wala bang malaki?
That one.
Pareho lang sila na eh.
That one.
Guys, hanap din ng pineapple. Guys, pero mga nigang man lang ang pineapples today. Ay. Can you just... No. It's a melon. Can you just make it like that? I think it look like they're the same, guys.
That one.
Huh? This one, yeah? Pineapple. We got 1 pineapple. We have lemon instead of that. We have apple. We have apple still, guys. So I think I want to take some bananas. Pangit ang banana, guys. Kamukha ako, guys. Ang banana, pangit. Ito na lang kaya ka, no?
That grapes.
Ah. Yun na, guys, yung long way. I need onions, guys. It's a little kitty. Eggplant it has. Do we have eggplant still there?
Do you think so?
I don't know. Tingnan nyo guys yung eggplant dito. Ang lalaki ng mga tiyan, hindi ka guys sa atin. Kasi I would just want to take some.
Eggplant is like this.
2 of those guys kasi nga may ano na tayo dun eh, may eggplant na tayo sa bahay. 2 lang guys. Ano yung mga and then I love birds, so we take 2 of those. I got tomato already. I think I'd like to have this. Look on the other side. Kuha tayo ng onions, guys. We've got a plastic, darling.
Plastic?
Yes. 2 course. Get the plastic, darling. Hindi pa inog. Guys, nasa ilalim guys. Wala namang hinog guys. Puro naman ano. Doon na lang sa taas. Apat lang. So you have, did daddy put off the fridge? I don't think so. Okay guys, patay tayo dito guys. Baka hindi sinarado ni daddy yung fridge. Kasi pinapaklose ko yung fridge sa kanya dahil lilinisan natin yun mamaya. Hindi ko alam kung sinasarado niya or ina-off niya. Kasi gusto ko i-defrost yung fridge kanina eh. I need something like this. Beans guys, so I think I need 3. I'm in the chicken section guys, so I need some thighs with legs kasi magluluto na naman tayo ng chicken with thighs. Favorite ng anak ko po. Hanap ako ng thighs guys, pero ulit makita. Patay ng full chicken kasi luto na naman tayo next time ng mga chicken. Okay. Look. Very small one, is it?
I'm gonna get the bacon.
Yes, please. This is the bacon which is, you know, yung hindi parat, maalat ba?
This one. £1.30. Or is it this one? There's so much more than this one, is it? There.
This is Thai. Oh, look.
Oh my god.
That's nice. Ow. And they are pretty cheap. Look.
Can you buy that one?
Okay, I bought whole chicken already. So we can change this.
Oh, okay.
Okay guys, kumuha tayo ng isang legs. Minced meat, darling. Tana na lang ay.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Are you not gonna buy those ones?
No, hang on. Oh! I do love this to make it barbecue, you know guys. Barbecue tayo, so ito yung kailangan ko. So, for 6, magkano ba to? So, bili tayo nito ng dalawa din guys. With 2 of this. Wala naman to. Ano, tinanggalan nila ng fatnak. Uy, hanapin natin yung may mga taba, guys. Kasi maganda kasi yung may taba pag binabarbecue, yun, ha? Kasi tingnan nyo, walang mga taba. Tinanggalan nila ng taba. Tinanggalan nila ng taba. Why? Sabay ganun eh, no? Alam mo, guys, ito na lang ako. Medyo mas madami pa ang taba nito.
Okay, dogs.
Ang langit. Ay na guys, parang sausage.
The one the sausage that we got, what was it called?
I put something on it. This one, the orange one.
That one.
I think this one, 90% net. Yes, the heck, you know, you remember?
I said chorizo, and I was like, I want this chorizo.
This one?
Yes. Yeah, that one. Except for this one. Oh, geez.
Pero guys, kanya-kanya lang mga basket guys. Nagsuot namin din. Guys, nagsuot namin din guys. Agrama. Kanya-kanya na na basket. Ay, bili ka ng mga meat kasi 1 month. Budget namin ito. You know what? This is very
I know, I really like
delicious.
it. Which one?
That. Or this kind of, you know, the yellow kind of.
Oh, I need Greek yogurt. Where's Greek yogurt?
I think dun yun sa kabila na. Or hindi ito.
Or this? Oh, what is this one? Oh, it's yogurt too.
Yeah, but you have to see the flavor. It's a yogurt.
Which one?
Look. Butterscotch, mango, raspberry. So you have to choose which one you like. Mango.
What about
That
this
one is
too?
nice also. It's a
Have you
chocolate.
tried it?
Yes.
So should we
That's both.
try too?
Both are nice.
Yeah?
Okay, the two of them.
Okay.
Bili tayo ng yogurt guys kasi good for our
Good.
health.
Guro lang yung What do you add in here? What do you add in there?
Ito tayo. Bakit ang tagal ni Daddy nag-park? May shampoo pa naman tayo. Ubusin muna natin. Mamahal naman. Oh, hand wash. Cheers. 57.
The one that's got nice smell. I want
Oh my goodness me. Wash lang na yun na. Hanapin mo pa yung ano. Kasi yung green, nandun yun sa,
Okay, fine.
sa charity. Ay, sa Boots.
is it? I think.
Or the blue one. How about the blue one? Nice smell that one.
Okay.
Just 25 pence anyway.
Ay, blue one.
Guys, hanapin pa ng anak ko yung mabango daw ang amoy. Hugasan na naman yung kamay. Pagkatapos wala na. Hala, si Daddy need pala yung ano. Ay na, oh. Xanax bath.
This one?
The other one, the big one, yes.
Sensitive?
Ano naman mo ha? Basta David. Lain-lain na nasa nagkuhan. Moisturizing bath.
Yeah, and then this one is sensitive.
What is that word for sensitive?
I don't know.
Kailangan take the two of those. Sasayaw pa hiting. Extra movement. Pili tayo nito guys yung pang ano sa ligo. Nag-TikTok pa guys, hindi niya alam na kan. Ay, there you go. That's the one you said. Nice smell.
Well, it's nice. Or
Yeah, but...
I can smell that.
Nak, darab sa matabangan nga na mo buto. Is it in here in front? Okay. Si paano din tando sa bar? Okay, we dun sa... No, hindi sila dito guys. Shampoo. Nak, Head and Shoulder you want?
Head and shoulder.
Citrus? Or that? Or which one?
Oh yeah.
For the, you know. How about this one? Coconut oil.
How about try this one? What's this?
No, not that one. There are product which is it spoiled your hair.
Really?
Yes. Sige
This
na.
one.
Which one?
That's yours?
Hello, honey.
I've got everything that's on my list. I got 14 of those, would you believe?
Ah, okay, this is from Daddy
I've
because
got a couple of these.
he's helping us. Yeah, I got mozzarella one, but it's nice.
That smell, which one is greatest of?
Ah, dalawa guys. Oh. Ina-smell niya yung kay Daddy. Akala naman si Daddy yung maglagay ng ano sa...
There's the apple.
Apple fresh sounds nice. I tell you what, we must get some shower gel as well.
That hand is
got
here.
it. Is that the one that you use, that or the
Yes, that's
sensitive
right.
one?
No, no. Sensitive me. What a question.
Oh,
Not
oh.
me, Dad.
Oh, sige na Daddy.
Okay,
Oh,
I will see you.
so Daddy bye-bye. He's going to the car.
Dad.
And
You
then...
should have essential oil mask.
Dito na tayo sa frozen. I just want the burger, guys. So, hanapin ng ano, yung panlinis sa carpet, guys. Kasi hindi ko alam kung asan dito yung mas maganda. I think this one is nice.
This is the one that you were telling me about, wasn't it?
Scrub on white multi-purpose cleaning pad. Ito pa yung scrub natin sa katawan. Okay. I didn't need na to take off because I know the downy.
This is the one that I love the smell of, isn't it? This is the one that you're using?
Yes.
They're £1.
Yeah, they're very cheap.
Did I get two?
Yeah. Nakapara ba tayo nga nasa balay? Wala pa na over. Naghanap ako ng ano guys, pamunas sa pinggan. I think this one is nice. Ooh! Ayan na guys, puno na yung ano natin sasakyan. I bought this one yesterday too.
Oh,
So,
there's the mask. Oh, no.
there you go guys. It's just only 35 pence. So, kuha tayo ng ano. Can you just put this
You
one
have a
in?
nice face.
Kasi wala na guys. So, dun tayo sa kabila. Darling, can you just move forward please?
Oh.
Did you take some too?
Yes.
Okay. Oh my god. Drive nicely. Did I just take some tissue? Oh, there you go. We don't have tissue for the kitchen, for it, and then for the bathroom. Can you just take?
This is for the
she-
bathroom?
Yeah, hang on.
Or this one?
How much the price of this? This one has,
£5.
but that.
£8.
Oh, I see, sorry. Guys, kuha tayo ng ano. Whites and colors. Here's a dust. What about this? Laki ng para palaba. Yeah, hang on. Toilet. Oops, hang on.
They're only £1, so
That one?
yeah.
A pound?
Yeah, £1.90.
Oh, sige na. Diyan na lang. Patay na isang tissue, guys. Sa kanya, hindi pa po nila sa akin. Wala na. Come here na. So what's the difference with this? I think Dad used like this, is it?
No, Dad used the blue one. This one.
Huh?
Yeah, that one.
Are you sure?
Yeah, look. Literally.
Oh,
that.
she got this already. We didn't. Come here. Tapos na tayo guys. So, kailangan pang pumila. Kasi rice na. Okay. Of course, rice. Hindi tayo mawala ng rice. Nak, jasmine rice. Nak, there's a jasmine rice. Oh my God. Guys, kita mo yung jasmine. Look. We will cook some tikala masala.
Tikka masala.
Yeah. But you have to choose which is not salty and spicy.
Ma, do they have you know the
Maybe.
little, what do you call it na? The black circle nga kanang mura siya gnata bitaw nga. Tapioca?
We have in the house.
No, like this. I'm talking about the big one, the
I didn't
black
have
one.
it here. I
Oh.
don't think so that we have it. Nak, tikka masala, choose the one which is not spicy. No, may medium man, may kuan siya.
This one.
Look, the hot chili.
Yeah, it's only
The
medium.
hot chili, which is
It's only medium, ma.
pagkita ni Daddy pero no? Shopping ta
medium.
ka nang natag-eat shopping ha?
It's only medium, and then this is one that's a mild.
Mild na lang, I think.
Okay.
Because I mean,
Really?
halang man.
Okay.
Maybe when we can mix the two of those.
They're £1.25.
This one is what? Mild and
Medium.
I think pag
Serves 4, so it serves pretty much all of
I
us.
mean, but I think if you just, you know, I'm afraid it's not, it's hot. Basin hot ba?
It's nice.
Sa mild na lang na kasi pag mild na agya po na siya chili. Ayaw na ni. Kaya pag medium halang dyan na siya. Madaha, madaha. Kamakaon.
Oh, this one.
Yes, just hang on. I just want to, I'm thinking to cook sweet and sour. There's sweet and sour, 48.
Should I get those?
Ha? Ano sa na? Apa man tayo doon nino? Oy, ayaw pasta yes, please. Have noodles, yeah?
Yeah. That one, no?
No, we don't need pini. I don't like so much
What is
pini.
that?
Oh yes, mustard. What is it? The one with daddy mustard. The one with that one's mustard. No, this is not mustard. Can you just ask the boy where
This
is
one.
Huh?
Oh, no.
No, this is the sauce. Ask him.
Oh, it's right here.
Baraganda-gan kami daw ka trolley, guys. What?
This is a calling announcement. Could the beauty manager please report to the customer service desk? Thank you.
There, mustard. Hanap na ng ano guys, yung soy sauce. Start na lang siguro guys. Ito na natin ilagay. Na, yeah, just hold yours. I like pickles guys.
You really like that pickle, don't you?
Ayan sa kanya. Ito naman yung sa akin. Ito lang po naman. So we need to find some. Now,
Yeah?
Dana, take hot dog. Hot dog. I think that's the second one.
This one or that
Yes.
one?
No, not that one. No, the big one. That's the canina. That's the green.
Oh, this one?
Yes. It's a pound. You have to try it to, just a little thing,
You get that one or this one?
They're all the same, darling.
Okay.
I know, they're not the same color. Blue and green.
American style.
American style.
This one is blue. What's that? This egg green, no?
Yes. And we didn't have corned beef here, is it? Can we just find some corned beef?
Corn beef, no.
Nothing here. Wala may mga corned beef. Oh! Not man now, guys. Ay, wala may corned beef. Oh. This one have corned beef, you know? They didn't have corned beef, is it? Why so they didn't have corned beef? What is it the one I told you not that we have to find it? Just now?
No, I don't know anything.
There, when we are there and we couldn't find it. Oh,
Mustard seed.
yes, that's it. So can you just... Yes, but mustard is it?
Yeah, mustard.
Yeah, that's... As the, because we had to queue. Maybe they have and we didn't know. What is it, the one we tried last time? That is nice.
No, the barbecue and
The red one. Yeah, can you just take three? Ano tayo ng those hot dogs? Kasi sometimes walang sarap kumain ng mainit na nakaupo. There we go.
was it just
Yeah. Sige natin. We taste that already. Not good. They are not good. Saglit lang guys kasi gusto kong kumuha ng soft drinks. Just one Pepsi guys. Pero ang mahal naman ito. Kaysa na walang Pepsi guys. So ito yung sa juice. Wala. Sa dulo. Yan naman yung sa wine. Baby, I think that's enough from here. Wala na yung sa atin guys. Ito yung sa wine. So yan naman yung grocery natin. So now we are going to the cashier. Guys, we're done guys. So uwi na tayo, okay? We're done! So hand sanitizer muna tayo.
where's that?
I don't know.
Oh, look at that one.
Nandun siya?
No.
Okay guys, punta na tayo sa sasakyan. Okay, we're done inside. So, saan na kaya yung where should I put the car? No? Yeah, I think that's there. Okay guys, na tayo sa sasakyan, parking lot. Yeah, we done our shopping today.
Loading up the trunk. Oh, Dad. Hi, Dad. Shut the boat.
Yes.
There's some more.
I got my big muscle.
Anytime soon. Oh, maybe. This is the cabbage game. It could go on for quite a while.
Macho man.
Good Oh, good job you brought lots of bags.
Ooh, can you try that? You're strong, Dad, isn't it?
Kita na ni mga katutuyan, guys.
Bye, guys.
Yes, they came back eventually.
Okay, hang on. yun lahat guys, yung sinashopping natin. So, nandito na kami, we arrived. So, i-arrange natin yun mamaya sa loob, ha?
So guys, there you go. As you can see from all of the
Ayan,
things.
lahat ng ano.
That's all the things that we bought. And you they can't see.
Can they see me a little bit, is it?
Yeah, now they see you.
Okay.
You got pineapple
Tabasin
there.
natin lahat yan guys. Okay. Ayan, nakabili na naman tayo ng kamote!
Camera.
Yan ang laman yan guys. Mungka na natin. Tapos yan. Ito.
Got more.
Huwag siya, ano, huwag siya
More. That's the water bottle. Can you see the letter E and the S? The S is for me, Sheena. And the letter E is for my mama.
Okay.
Shoulders. This shampoo actually smells so good.
Which one, darling?
Head and Shoulders shampoo one.
Oh, yeah. This one. Put that and then, turn it back.
Smile. Hi.
Yabo-yabo na. Chicken and then the pork, I bought it today. So just put in here like that.
Yeah.
Andito na naman yung kalaban! Andito, guys, na yung talong, di ba? Magkaiba yung talong sa Pilipinas. Usually, yung talong natin is mahaba at saka manipis na yung pang
Yeah,
ano
it
siya.
looks like
Yes, pero naman yung
cucumber.
sa ano, yung ano dito, yung eggplant,
Eggplant.
talong. And then I bought some for salad and for vegetables for hubby. And of course, hindi mawawala si onion modeling.
Onion modeling.
Yun kasi ni hubby guys na may onion palagi. So, bumili na ako ng ano kasi as usual, di ba pag nag-shopping kami, whole months. Ayan,
As
whole months
in-
yan siya. So, ayan, mga chicken.
It's like whole month budget. There's not a lot of people in the house. It's just 3 of us.
Pero ganito ako guys, kung namili kasi gusto ko yung ano, ayun, bumili din ako ng pork. Din ako
It's gonna-
chicken,
I'm so
always,
excited for
my
that one.
daughter's favorite. Ayan guys.
Like tinola,
so, bakit nakita nyo guys,
adobo.
grabe ako mamimili, no? Grabe na kasi ang dami. Pero hindi yan ano guys, hindi yan sa pagmayayabang. Ang ano lang, ginagawa ko lang yan kasi I don't want to go every time in the shopping and then there's a queue. Haba pa ng pila, and then sakit sa ulo yung pabalik-balik, and then malayo siya. So, we bought everything for a whole 1 month or more, maybe. You know. So, hindi tayo ng ano to na. Oh, the favorite of avocado, my baby. Ayan, favorite niya yan, guys. Yung ano, pagpagin natin to, guys. Kasi nga nakya. And then I brought milk.
Olives.
Olives! Oh no, this is for Dad! Oh my God! Dad! Si Javi bumili nito, and then ako bumili naman ng ganito. Ano ba yan? Nag-double-double na yung binili. Kaya mo na lang guys, kainin. Okay, tapos na yung isang cheese fruit in the basket! Ayan guys, talong pa itong mga ano natin. Yan, alam niyo yung mga ginagawa. And then I found someone like me. Nakahanap na ako ng papay. Pero alam niyo guys, ang mahal nito. Huwag yung ano. Ganyan lang kaliit yan guys. Tama? Almost ano na yan siya. 200. Manguhit na lang ta guys. Alam niyo sa Pilipinas, sinusungkit na natin yan. Bumili ako nitong ganitong klaseng hotdog kasi may gagawin ako.
He's going to do something.
Bumili ako ng... Bumili ako ng spray guys para sa ano, panlinis sa bahay. And of course, hindi mawawala ang bacon natin
Yes.
for my baby. And of course, the burgers. Pero pinakita lang namin kasi baka mamaya isipin nyo naman na ano, shopping kami kanina. Hala! No, paano na, nalumping na guys ang burger. Ayan, tomato. Okay. Done! The chicken basket! Chicken basket ba niyo guys? Nga bag man niyo guys.
Second bag.
Okay guys, kasi nasa hobby guys. Hindi ako magluto ngayon guys kasi napagod ako sa shopping namin. So what I will do is I will order the ready-made na Pineapple chunks! Of course, hindi mawawala ang beauty kong pineapple chunks. And of course, this is the fat snip. Ang plastic na ito. Alam niyo guys, what is the purpose? Why ganito ang mga ano nila? Kita mo? Nagbalot sila, ang ginawa nila is not a plastic cellophane. They use paper because paper can recycle. Ganyan sila katindi dito sa pag-iingat ng mga ano. At saka guys, nakakatipid yun! Alam niyo ba?
And it's actually safer for the environment, and like most of the plastics end up in the ocean, and it affects the fishes and the turtles and the dolphins and everything.
Guys, done for the 3 bags. Okay, so ay, ang 4 na tayo guys, okay? So, today, bumili ako ng ganito kasi favorite ni Habi to eh. So, they are all our 14s.
They're all our favorites.
Yes. 14. So,
sorry.
isa natin guys kasi bababa na yung Mr. Pogi.
Mr. Pogi.
And then this is the shampoo of my daughter with my with curl.
Nice.
Ayan guys. Ayan, lahat to. Budget na to guys in whole. And then of course my favorite rice is jasmine rice.
Very good.
Okay.
It's very what's it called? It's very what's it called, ma?
Wala, grabe kita. Parang tayo na malingki ay. Guys, ano na nakita yung shopping ko guys? Grabe ako pag nan-shopping talaga guys.
As
Ay,
in
ayoko
one
kasi
off.
Ano, guys, ay kasi nung pabalik-balik. Oh, bumili tayo ng Downy, of course. Guys. Okay. Okay guys. Yan, ibaba mo. Yan. So, andyan yung mga pasta, of course, yung mga, ano natin, shopping for baths, para paligo, tapos yung, ano, stairs, sauce, then yung, ano sa kusina, yan. So, hindi ko na yan, ano, isa-isahan dun sa taas ha, kasi puno na yung sa taas, so dito na lang yan ika-dessert. Okay guys, we're done. We're done na sa pag-ano natin ng shopping, so, okay guys, andito na sila lahat. Lahat. Okay, so, babalik ko na to sa, ano guys, sa lalagyan niya ha. So, thank you so much guys for watching for our shopping today. Okay, hopefully you enjoy it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.